Hey my love, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking in. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please click on your subscribe button. Your subscribe button is just below this video, and also don't forget to click on your notification bell. Your notification bell is just beside the subscribe button, and you'll be able to see it after you might have subscribed. This is basically so that each time I upload, you're going to be the first to know. Thank you so much to all my amazing subscribers. You guys are the best. God bless you all.
I've never been exposed like this before.
Ghana is really doing well. Like, Ghana is expanding, and when it comes to transportation, they are doing extremely well. So there is this post on social media that is going viral, how Ghana's train is so luxurious. Like, it speaks luxury. People were entering inside the train to make videos about how beautiful the train is. The air conditioners are active, and the VIP services, like everything about this train speaks luxury. People were making videos about it, and I'm like, wow, Ghana is really doing well, especially in their transportation system. They have some new VIP buses. In fact, they have some other new luxurious buses. If you're Ghanaian, you already know what I mean by VIP buses. All those buses that goes to Kumasi and all of that. They launched new beautiful and massive buses that will take people to places that are outside of Accra. I think this is beautiful. Ghana is really doing excellently well. This is something that I would love people to see, especially this period that is Christmas is so near and people are looking for where to visit and visit Ghana. We have trains in Nigeria in some states, like we have trains in Port Harcourt to Abia State. We have trains in Kano, Kaduna, Abuja, and then Ibadan, Ekiti, and some other states. But then I'm just hoping and wishing that someday everything about train would reach all parts of Nigeria, because before now there used to be trains in every state in Nigeria, but now it's no longer as it used to be. So let me leave you to watch and enjoy this luxurious train that Ghana has launched. I'm going to see you later.
Hey guys, welcome. Let me introduce you to Auntie Day Day, Ghana's first ever double-decker tour bus. We got to explore the city of Accra with her, and it was a 10 over 10 experience. There are scheduled tours that go for 60, 30, 20, that's adults, students, and kids. There's also the option of renting out the bus. We started off at the Jubilee House, which I found out used to be the private zoo of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. We made our way to Accra to the iconic National Theatre. We found out the history and got to explore inside. Luckily for us, there was a set design for an Ankwebo White production, so that was dope. Our next stop was the National Museum. I definitely recommend you visiting the National Museum. There's a lot to see and learn. We made our way to the redeveloped Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. Everybody knows I'm obsessed with this place. Our last stop was the Independence Square. You should definitely explore Accra with Auntie Day Day. Check out visitghana.com for more information.
sight. I couldn't see my friends. I cannot breathe alone. You help my lungs expand. Slowly losing my mind over you. Burning like fire and smoking like drugs. You like seeing me hurt, but I bet you ain't noticed that. Notice that. I bet you ain't noticed that. Notice that. Smoke up, then I wake up, get into it. I know that I'm a bad man, nothing to it. I do that, kinda knew that, don't tell me. I know that we'll be fine someday, my love.
Eje kwasi broni pa de bibi ni de ne ho betoto na che hwe broni bass yo wafuru broni bass pa ko long journey o de ti announcement ne keke wi ameka se ma kire o.
Priority is given to wheelchair users or other assisted travel customers, so please be aware you may be asked to move seats.
Ade ba ko ekume kura no any screen e wo ho ne TV no say me de me kan say TV na ebomu no e no kura ne ade ekume e hwe kwan ni mu ehwe kwanu ma hu ade ekoso o kwasi broni o akwasi broni bass o ehwe kwanu ma hu de ekoso what you say bibia dida na kwamu kama pa na say ye Ghana pa and wafru VIP from Accra to Kumasi na screen bom say na say TV bom say ya ade ba ko a wo betia no sini ya why fewro de dua botimi ye part 1 and 2 kwato kansa wono na me se na hu a chidi do dua bona nya no a me Canada sini why fewo say with ventures na wa go fa bo benye biato e wo Miracle Films Opera Square Accra. Just say, yes, yeah. This way we view the road where you are going. When you see ni did the one same chewa part 1 and 2 and then you buhuna just say but you know when someone I but person is wisdom we emu
Let me know in the comment section if you have used this train if you are in Ghana, or if you have used any of the VIP new buses. Okay, they said this train is fully air conditioned, and I just want to know if someone have used them in the comment section. Thank you so much if you watch up to this moment. I just wanted to know that I appreciate you so much. Okay, Christmas is here, and I know a lot of people are planning on visiting Ghana. Stay safe, have fun, but also know that if you are visiting Ghana, you are not gonna sleep. You're going to party till mama calls. I'm going to see you on my next one. Until then, I love you so very much. Bye.
I feel it right.